Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Hey you guys, it's me, the Velvetlox, coming back again. I guess you could say it's not even a car vlog. I just wanted to touch bases real quick with you guys. I'm on my way to go and pick up some things for videos that I'm getting ready to shoot. One of them is a meal video, which I know you guys are going to enjoy. Those of you who are into fish, I just did a fish dish the other day of what I eat to lose 20 pounds. Please excuse my phone. I'm vlogging. I should just do it like this. What I am eating to lose 20 pounds. And I've been really getting into being more creative, okay? So you guys have really helped me out as well. I just want to thank you. Because when I put my truth out there to tell you about me gaining the weight, it kind of really put me to be more accountable and to eat healthier and also to get my creative flow back again. So that's what I'm doing. And horrible. And because of that, I've been searching and coming up with some wonderful recipes that I think you guys will enjoy as well. So this is going to help a lot of you who are on a weight loss journey, who really don't know what to make, what to eat. I mean, delicioso. I got some good stuff coming. So I'm on my way to this fish market right now to pick up some fish. The fish I'll be using today, yeah, most likely the red snapper, because it's a big enough fish. So yeah, it's delicious. It's filling. And I'm just trying to think now of sides to go with it, because it's my mouth is just watering right now thinking about it. And yeah, I think I'm going to also get some plantain. Oh yeah, I should do some. Yes. I got a really nice dish coming out for you guys. Also, I just want to thank you all for your support, your positive remarks. You know, if you want me to maybe start a new Facebook for all of us who are on a weight loss journey, to like a community, actually, a community of people like we've seen in so many other channels, where they have a community of people who are on a weight loss journey, who want to maybe post on their what it is that they're trying to do. I can answer questions. I don't know. Do y'all want me to even go live one day and speak to y'all directly? Yeah, I should do that. Let me know if that's something that you may want me to do in the upcoming future, because I haven't spoken to any of you really, and that would be nice. So if you have any questions that you may want to ask me right away, I can answer them live. For those of you who may want to join the live and speak to me on the platform, you know, we can do that too once I get a little more tech savvy, because that's something new for me. But yeah, y'all, that'll be a really good thing to do. Plus, I got a sponsored video that I should have had up a long time ago, but because of all of this that was going on, I just didn't feel like editing the video, which I will. So I got some good stuff coming out for you guys, believe me, really good stuff. And what else? Now for my Velvet Vlogs channel, that channel is just like stagnant, really. I'm trying to figure out what to do with that channel. I want to do lock videos. Currently, it's a lock channel for hair, as well as skincare. But I don't know. I mean, the kind of content that I put out there, I have only a certain age bracket that watches me. So I know I don't have any young adults, a lot of young adults. So I don't know, if you want me to do reaction videos, I could do some reaction videos. Because I really want to hurry up and get that channel monetized. It's really moving so slow that it's taking forever to get monetized, especially now that YouTube changed the rules and regulations. So you know, you really have to come up with a whole lot more before your channel can actually get monetized. But yeah, I'm gonna hurry up and get that channel monetized. So let me know what you want me to do for that channel, what kind of videos you're interested in seeing, and not weight loss, because weight loss is just basically for my main channel, which is the Velvetlox channel, and that channel is doing wonderful. I just need to invest more time to do what I need to do to bring to you, ladies and gentlemen, content that you really need and you really want pertaining to your weight loss and your lifestyle journey. So I got some wonderful recipes, meals, okay, meals. And the video that I did just recently with the oven fried fish, check that out. I'll have the link down below, but you got to check out that recipe. It is so good. It's so easy. You don't even have to do oven fried. You can even do broiled fish instead of the fried. So there's so many ways you can tweak that recipe. You can even use chicken, so many different things. So check that video out. So far, you guys seem to really like that. I got some positive responses from that video, and it encouraged me to do another one today. So being that I'm cooking tonight, and I have to start cooking more now instead of eating out. So being that I'm cooking tonight, I have another wonderful healthy meal, and we eat this in the Caribbean. You know, this is more like a Caribbean dish, okay? And it's delicious, it's healthy. Oh, it's so good, it's so good. And you who are not Caribbean can make it as well. It is easy, so easy. And there's things that you can do to substitute it, tweak it. You know, if you don't have this one particular ingredient, you can tweak it with something else. So stay tuned. For the most part, I'm in better spirits right now. Outside seems to be more of my weather. It's not hot. You know, it's more of a, well, they say 80 degrees is supposed to go up to almost 90. But for now, it's nice. It's comfortable. But y'all, I just wanted to pop on here real quick just to find out from you guys, what do you want to see more of that is not pertaining to weight loss? So this way, I can post that on my other channel, because I really need to hurry up and get that channel monetized. It's been over a year, I think, and it's like I'm just basically making content just to be making content, when I really want to build that channel up. So let me know down below what suggestions that you have that you want to see more of, and yeah, I can bring it to you on that channel. All right, so y'all, I want to thank you so much. Right now, like I said, I'm heading to the fish market, and I'll be back. Welcome, family. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you again with a powerful announcement. Now, if some of you haven't visited my eBay store, you are definitely living under a rock, because you are missing out on this organic fit and flat belly detox and energizer tonic. This tonic has been flying off the shelves. I've had to restock my inventory several times. This is powerful. I've used it myself. I'm still currently using it, and like I said, it works, okay? This tonic is going to help you to lose those inches. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to clean your blood, burn that body fat. It's going to flatten your tummy and remove that waste out of your body. This is also going to boost your metabolism. For those of you who are suffering from slow metabolism and cannot get that weight off, try this tonic. It's going to boost you up. This is going to detox and energize you, and it's also going to strengthen your colon, because it's going to be squeaky clean. All right, check down below in this video description for the links to my personal eBay store, where you will get the 60 16-ounce bottle of this powerful detox that specializes in removing waste out of your body and slimming you down. So if those of you who are really serious about your weight loss journey and need that extra boost, this is going to help you, along with all the other wonderful teas and detoxes and smoothies I've been showing you throughout the year. All right, so go ahead, shop, check your girl out. I'm telling you, it's been flying off the shelves. This is my 4th time restocking this item, and I got plenty for everybody. So like I said again, y'all, check down below in this video for my eBay link for my personal store, where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this firm and flat belly, and it's all organic, natural, 100%. All right, so I will see you down below.